A day in the life of a civil site engineer. Reality versus expectations. What's it really like to work as a civil site engineer? Do they spend all day reviewing blueprints, supervising workers, solving design problems? In today's video from Rigid Academy, we'll take you behind the scenes of a typical day on a construction site. Whether you're a student considering civil engineering or just curious about how major projects come to life, this video will give you an inside look into the daily responsibilities, challenges, and rewards of life on site. A civil site engineer's day usually starts early, often by 7 a.m. or even earlier. The first task is a site inspection. Walking around the job site, the engineer checks on ongoing activities: concrete pouring, formwork, reinforcement, excavation, depending on the phase of the project. They ensure everything aligns with the schedule, safety protocols, and technical drawings. Any hazards or unexpected issues are noted immediately. Personal protective equipment, PPE, helmet, safety boots, high visibility vest, is a must. Safety always comes first. Before the crew starts working, there's often a toolbox talk, a short safety briefing or coordination meeting with foremen and workers to review the day's goals and tasks. After the morning rounds, it's time to dive into coordination. Civil engineers must liaise between contractors, subcontractors, architects, project managers, and clients. Communication is everything. Here's what that includes: verifying that construction follows the design drawings and specifications, ensuring that proper materials and techniques are used, coordinating equipment and manpower, updating work schedules, checking formwork, rebar placement, foundation levels, and concrete curing processes. For example, if a concrete slab is scheduled for pouring, the site engineer will check that the rebar spacing and formwork are correct, approve the batch mix and slump test results, ensure vibrators and equipment are in place, supervise the entire pour until completion. Every detail counts. A single mistake in execution can lead to costly delays or even structural failures. A huge part of a site engineer's job involves documentation and quality control. This includes preparing daily progress reports, logging site activities and material deliveries, taking photos for record-keeping, filling out checklists for inspections, signing off on critical elements like concrete pours, compaction tests, etc. Quality control is non-negotiable. The engineer checks material certifications, concrete strength reports, soil compaction levels, level tolerances, and alignment. It's not just about building fast, it's about building right. No 2 days are the same on a construction site. Unexpected challenges are part of the job. A delivery delay causes a work stoppage. Rain affects the excavation plan. The drawings don't match real site conditions. A mistake in rebar placement requires a quick fix. A good civil engineer must think on their feet. They consult with supervisors, redesign small elements if needed, and find practical, safe solutions, often under pressure. Critical thinking, leadership, and calm decision-making are vital skills. Throughout the day, the site engineer might attend several meetings: site coordination meetings, client progress updates, safety inspections with HSE teams, consultant site visits. Each meeting comes with follow-ups, emails, reports, requests for information, RFIs, and technical submittals. In the afternoon, engineers often return to the site office to review shop drawings or upcoming tasks, plan for the next day, update digital systems or site logs, prepare technical queries, TQs, to clarify design issues. Even on site, there's plenty of desk work, especially for engineers managing multiple teams or subcontractors. Being a site engineer is more than technical knowledge. It's about leading teams, resolving conflicts, and keeping morale high. You'll deal with workers, drivers, supervisors, inspectors, and consultants, all in one day. Respectful communication and cultural awareness are key, especially on international job sites. It's a high-pressure environment, but also incredibly rewarding. You get to watch your drawings come to life, literally, brick by brick. There's nothing quite like the feeling of walking past a bridge, tower, or foundation you helped build and saying, "I made that happen." So, what does a civil site engineer really do in a day? They plan, supervise, inspect, solve, report, coordinate, and repeat it all the next day. It's intense, hands-on, and full of real-world challenges, but it's also one of the most fulfilling roles in the construction industry. If you enjoyed this inside look at the life of a civil engineer, be sure to subscribe to Rigid Academy for more engineering deep dives. Let us know in the comments. Would you enjoy working on a construction site every day?